Hey, what's up guys? Alex with Bay Cities Construction. We're here at our beautiful job in Dana Point, and I want to give you just a little quick update of what we got done so far. From the front of the house, this is that front office. We've got all the drywall in. It's got bolted ceilings in there. At the entrance of the front door, we've got skylights. Everything's mudded and skimmed. We built out this closet area here. There's going to be a recess for linens in there, turning a dead space into something usable. In the master suite, we've got the windows are in. Everything in here is all skimmed out. The drywall is done. Guys are starting to do the tile work. So this is the standalone bathtub. So we're gonna have tile around the perimeter here. Guys are putting in looks like a limestone on the floor, and big shower, master shower. Everything's floated. We got a little niche there. Got the shower head up there. Controls are gonna be here. So the potty's gonna be there in that little cubby. Let's go to the kitchen. So this is the living area. That's gonna be the kitchen. And behind Casey, that's where the fireplace used to be. Now that's gonna be the whole TV. The TV section is gonna be there. This is the back side of the kitchen. And there's a powder room back here, which is pretty cool. So you're gonna have a vanity, toilet, and the Jack and Jill setup where the other bedroom leads into it. Bedroom has a nice little closet setup. And again, this view, man, this is the whole setup here when we designed this open floor plan, just to maximize this beautiful view of Dana Point. Anyway, this is Alex and Casey saying bye from Dana Point. This is your update for the week. We're almost done with this project. We're probably about, what, 75% done here? And a few more weeks. Yeah, a few more weeks we'll be done. So we'll love to share with you the finished product. See ya.